little pandas jumping in the pool, splashing and giggling, keeping cool. One did a flip and made a big spray. Too much fun, the others say. Jump, splash, wiggle and play. Pandas swimming all the day in the pool so bright and blue. Pandas laugh, and so will you. 5 little pandas floating on a ring. One tried to paddle, what a silly thing. He spun around and gave a cheer. This is the best time of the year. They made a wave and rode it fast. Their panda giggles sure did last. With floaties, noodles, and water games, they splashed around and called their names. 6 little pandas, what a crew, soaked and smiling through and through. When the sun begins to cool, they'll be back to jump in the pool.